In this short video, I'll show you how to calculate total labor expense using Excel so you can automate payroll calculations for remote teams. First, go ahead and select the cell where you want to calculate the labor expense. I'm going to choose this one. And let's type in this formula. Equals sum product, like this, parenthesis. Select the hours worked, comma, space, and select the hourly rate. Just put a close parenthesis, press enter. There we go. Now what you need to do now is just scroll for the other cells, and there we go. Now we can also just total up the expenses, and let's input it here. Let's input a new formula, equals sum parenthesis, and just highlight the data like this, another close parenthesis, and press enter. There we go. Now you know how to calculate total labor expense using Excel. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this one.